Hi guys, we're here today at SMB Prestige Pasig for Synergy Games 2024. Let's hear what our team members have to say about this year's Sports Fest. Are you enjoying so far?
Well, as you can see my energy earlier, very enjoying. Even though my shift ends 5 a.m.
What's the highlight for you in today's events?
For today, yung highlight is the All-Star Basketball team.
Why do you think your team or our team is going to be the champion of Synergy Games?
I think because yellow is the color of trophies and gold, so naturally we're just gonna win all of it.
Which team do you think you can beat and what's your message to them?
I think kayang-kaya namin ang yellow team. At kasi green team has the proper teamwork and camaraderie. So kayang-kaya talaga namin ang yellow team. So yellow team, get ready kasi day 1 pa lang!